In this video, let's talk about are wheel spacers safe on trucks. Truck spacers are safe to use, whether you are planning to use them for daily driving or off-roading needs. If you use quality truck spacers and install them correctly, not only are they safe, but they can end up making your truck safer than the stock setup too. You will have a wider check that you have installed spacers on. How to choose safe wheel spacers? The first, material. When choosing safe wheel spacers, material selection can be very important. There are mainly steel and aluminum. Considering the strength and lightweight needs, aluminum is more suitable. Both 6061T6 and 7075T6 are high-performance aluminum alloys. They feature good corrosion resistance, wearability, workability, and mechanicability. And forged aluminum truck spacers provide stronger impact resistance, less rigor stand, longer service life range, and stronger corrosion resistance, much safer than those cheap casting spacers. The second, design. There are hub-centric spacers and lug-centric spacers. Hub-centric spacers offer a better system of support and stability. They are designed to make a snug connection between the wheel and the vehicle hub, ensuring the hub carries the weight of the truck instead of legs. Besides, they are CNC machining, precision at 0.02 mm, which make the hub-centric leg more accurate, perfect fit the wheel hub, and provide a smoother installing experience. The third, size. It is important to figure out what size truck spacers do you need, including bolt pattern, center bolt, and thickness. Presuming that you had a clearance issue at the brake, you want to add more only enough thickness to clear the caliper. Properly installing your truck's wheel spacers is paramount to ensuring safety. The wheel spacers must be properly torqued to manufacturer recommended torque space. This means making sure the spacer, wheel, and the hub assembly are secured enough to where they don't get loosened. If you install them properly, high-quality spacers are exactly safe to use and will not cause any vibration.